Jai Hind, dear student. Basically, you can see one of our ex-students, Prashant Kumar. Basically, he was a student of written preparations of in Doon Defence Academy, followed by SSB. And he has been recommended from 14 SSB AlR for SSC non-tech OTA. This is a big achievement for him, and just clapping for him for this tribute. All the best, Beta. And basically, this is the time. A number of students already selected Doon Defence Academy. They have been keep coming here to visit, to motivate other schools, to share the experience. Today, this opportunity will get here because one day you will become a defense officer because you have been preparing for the SSB. Okay? Prashant Kumar, one day he was here like you, sitting in the class, taking the classes of written examination and followed by SSB. Today, he will share some experience about his journey in Doon Defence Academy and followed by his SSB experience of 14 SSB AlR board and how he have selected all these things. And finally, he will be joining for the 122 OTA course for the forthcoming course. He will be getting the joining letter soon. He has completed the medical formalities and everything. Okay, gentlemen? Okay, Prashant.
Good morning, everyone. I am Prashant Kumar Singh. I have taken the SSB course from DDA itself, and it was the 15-day course, and the assessors from here was very good. From here I have got multiple opportunities like the GTO task and also the group obstacles race and many more things. Like our assessors like Ravi Patel sir has helped me in various things. Like it has been here, they have given me the lecture how to deliver a good lecture in front of everyone with confidence, and also the GTO task, which what was the condition and what was we have to do and not to do in the grounds. And also the Colonel sir was also helping the psychological test and also the interview. In there I have learned many of the things which you can't get in online coachings and all these things. And DDA has helped me a lot since the written and also the SSB procedure here. And I'm really thankful to all my teachers and all the DDA staffs for helping me to clear the SSB, and I will be grateful to all of them. Thank you.
Okay, gentlemen, basically if you want to ask any question about related to SSB or how we have prepared here, okay, you can ask any type of questions.
Ideally, how many questions should we attempt in OIR?
Well, you have to attempt full, because OIR is the only thing that will give you the grade. Not only in SSB, it will be of whole time, the ACR or something, the promotion you will get, it is totally based on the OIR. So never thought that you will attempt one or means 40 or something like that, whatever the number it is. Always try to attempt full.
How to prepare the self-description test for the psychological test?
SDT. First take out the copy and write about 5 means about you want to write about teachers. So ask your teachers that what is the best thing in yours or what you think of yourself, means, and ask about your parents, what do you think, what your parents think about you, and what are the bad qualities or something like that. And always try to do SDT is always a compilation of 4 good thing and 1 bad thing, and how means it is not also a bad thing, means it is a little bit of that you are not coping with that, you have to do that, and how you are preparing for that or how you are overcoming that. So you have to write in copy and then make a paragraph in your rough copy and you will get it, and go and check by your friends or also the assistant.
If you are in a preparation phase and you are not getting ideas related to PPT and build the story, so how you start them?
First of all, about PPT and these things is this: you have to take the classes and also the practice sessions with your friends or in the circle only. Like how what should be, if you are taking an example, like you have seen one picture, he's standing on the bridge and front of this river. You are telling like we can make a dam and something like that. One is telling we can make a fun, means we are doing fun in Rishikesh and something like that. So if you are telling this, then one of your coursemate will tell you that no, we can't do the dam, like it is a large process, like it takes around 10 years to complete it, and in PPT or PAT it should be the short process. So you will get the idea what to do, what not to do. and also try to see the newspaper. In newspaper, some articles or cutting is there. You can take idea from there. Many of these things are there. You have to imagine the guy that way, and the most important thing is communicate between the friends.
Can we give a story, like very common story related to our own story, which we faced in the past, or we have to make a story which is related to the national interest or anything like that?
It depends on the picture, and it's not about what you have seen or something like that. You can make it, but you have to measure your work, what you are writing, because when you are writing your own story, you write abruptly or something like that. You have to measure your words, and when you write, go and check with your friends or by SSC, you get to know that what is wrong between that. And it's always not like that you have to write about national security. It's not like that. It's a personality development. It's not national development.
Is the quality matters or the quantity matters in SRT and that, and how many SRT and that should be attempted?
Try to attend as much as possible. First in that, I think try to do our till 60. Don't be wasting in that thing. And SRT, try to do as much as possible. And in SRT, you are telling it is like that. Quantity and quality both matters. It's not a single thing. It's a mix of both things. Like in my SSB, I have gone till only 41. Many of them has gone till 35. Still, he is also recommended. Many of has done 55 or 56, but he is not recommended. So quality and quantity both matters. Like I have told you earlier, you have to complete the SRT. Listen what the SRT is telling you. Take it to your life, what you have done in your life and what you see in the surroundings. That is the most important thing. Don't try impossible things and something like that.
During the interview round, there is a rapid fire section. So if I just forget the sequence of the questions, what should we do?
You can directly ask the reason if I miss any question. You don't definitely take, but don't like that. Don't do like that. If you are telling, sorry sir, always, if you forgot or not, always tell, sorry sir, I missed any questions. Then he will tell you what you have missed or not. And it is better that rapid fire is something like CIU, we call it, we say. So better to be prepared at home.
So should we prepare the prank story, the 12th story in the deck?
Yes, definitely. You are having the questions there in front of you before the examination. Why shouldn't you prepare for it? You have to prepare for it.
What kind of themes should be?
It's totally based upon you. Like I'm a sports person, so I have made fun with my sports. You can also make upon like you have participated in quiz competition or something like you have done for your family or something like that. You can write anything, but it should be little bit related to like what you have written in STT. It should be little bit similar towards like that.
Okay. Hope this you will get this type of motivations for sharing the experience which will help you for the forthcoming SSB. Okay, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
You can see him here. You can see here this student. You will also get same chest number in the SSB center. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we prepare yourself, do hard work. I think everybody got the date of SSB here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, gentlemen, basically now today, as you know, the tradition of Doon Defence Academy, every student is getting rupees 10,000 cash award on final selections. चाहे अग्निवीर हो, चाहे एनडीए के थ्रू हो, चाहे सीडीएस हो, चाहे कैट हो, चाहे ऑफिसर्स एंट्री है, चाहे कोई जवान की एंट्री है. दिस इज द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ दून डिफेंस अकेडमी. संदीप सर के द्वारा उनको हर बच्चे को यहाँ से 10,000 का कैश अवार्ड मिल जाता है. दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी गेटिंग बाय द प्रशांत कुमार टुडे on behalf of Doon Defence Academy, Sandeep Sir, we will giving him 10,000 cash award here. You can see. Yes, Prashant lo. ये जो 10,000 कैश अवार्ड है उसके सक्सेस के लिए ठीक है बेटा. तो आप लोगों को मेहनत करनी है. एंड अगेन यू विल आल्सो कमिंग हियर सच हाउ शेयरिंग द एक्सपीरियंस. ओके ठीक है बेटा. चलो ऑल द बेस्ट.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.